In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Klaviyo with our full 2025 beginner's guide. Even though Klaviyo doesn't offer a standalone landing page builder, you can still create an effective full page form that functions as a landing page using their sign up forms feature. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Accessing your account is simple. Just head over to the Klaviyo website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, the next thing you'll want to do is head over to the sign up forms section. You'll find this in the left sidebar where it's clearly marked. Clicking on sign up forms will open up your options for creating new forms and accessing existing ones. Now, with the sign up forms page open, you'll want to create a new form. Look for the option that says create sign up form and give that a click. This will kickstart your journey to building a new form. For our purposes, you're going to select full page as the form type. This choice is crucial because this full page form will effectively serve as your landing page. With your form type set, it's time to design your landing page. Klaviyo makes this part fun and interactive with their drag and drop functionality. You can add a variety of elements such as text, images, input fields, and buttons. Think about what information you want to convey and what actions you want your visitors to take. Arrange these elements intuitively to guide your audience towards those actions. Next, to make sure your landing page aligns with your brand, take the time to customize the colors and fonts. This customization is a key step in ensuring brand consistency across all of your platforms. Aim for a cohesive look that resonates with your target audience. Now let's move on to configuring the form behaviors. Since this is a full page form, it will be displayed immediately when users visit the page. You'll then set up your targeting and display rules. Decide if you want the page to be shown to all visitors or only to specific groups such as new users. This is an excellent way to tailor the experience to different segments of your audience. Once everything looks perfect and your settings are in place, go ahead and click publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to be shared with the world. Finally, get your landing page URL and share it through your various channels like emails, advertising campaigns, or social media platforms. This way you can effectively drive traffic to your newly created landing page and engage your audience even more. And there you have it, you've successfully created a functional and visually appealing landing page in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.